I am your Ate May, Mutya ng Kabataan Cabaruan. The title of the story is My Family Unity, written and illustration by Chaiphet, Aekbandith, Akkhany. From Let's Read Asia, we have parents. I have an older brother and an older sister. I have a younger sister, and then there is me. My father works in the garden. My mother cooks in the kitchen. My older brother collects the garbage. My older sister cooks the sticky rice. My younger sister sweeps the floor. I feed the pigs. My family is happy and united. Did you like my story, children? What is the moral lesson of the story? We need to cooperate to your family and we need to be a good child. I hope you enjoyed the story, children. See you again. I am a certified storyteller of Urdaneta City Library.